Since man has been looking up at the sky, he's been in awe of what he's seen there. Scientific advancements have allowed us to discover a universe beyond our imagination, a panorama so full of wonders that the human mind can scarcely comprehend it. And when we come back down to Earth, we want to express what we've seen. Composers do this by describing in music the universe within and beyond our solar system, stirring in us something approaching the awe and wonder of the cosmos itself. When ancient man looked up, he saw a blanket of stars as far as the eye could see. Some stars were brighter than others, and he started to see patterns between the brightest of them. It seemed perfectly natural to give these patterns names, mainly based on mythology. These were the origin of our constellations. As a respected amateur astronomer, composer Urmas Sisask has been fascinated by the night sky and has made a career writing music based on the universe around us. His most famous work is the 2 cycles of piano pieces called Starry Sky. In them, he's given us representations of constellations and their mythology from both the northern and southern hemispheres of our planets. Also in doing so, he's given us some new and exciting sounds on the piano. Lyra, the lyre played by Orpheus that Zeus ordered to be placed in the sky. An enormous space cloud visible in the southern hemisphere looks like a giant emu in the Australian sky. The head of the emu is known as the coal sack. In Aboriginal mythology, it's Way the cassowary who flew out of a fire and became a dark patch in the sky. Delphinus, the dolphin, also leaps through the night sky. The Greek astronomer Ptolemy, the first to catalog constellations, envisioned the shape of an enormous ship. It represented the Argo, the ship that carried Jason and the Argonauts. As time went on, the ship was considered too large a constellation, and later astronomers broke it up into smaller parts. Vela is the sail of the ship. But those who studied the skies came to realize that some of the brightest lights they saw weren't stars at all, but other planets. The names we know the planets by come from Greek and Roman mythology. Mercury was named for the winged messenger because it appeared to move so fast. Venus, the brightest light in the sky, was named for the goddess of love. Gustav Holst, the English composer, inspired by these names, wrote an orchestral suite which focused on an attribute of each one. Scientists and laymen alike agree that the sky we see every night is incredibly beautiful. Composers, too, have found it very rewarding to write music about what they saw, as these examples show. Many incredible scientific advances have been made during the last 50 years, which allow us to see into the skies farther and more clearly than ever before. The Hubble Space Telescope, the most powerful ever built, is currently orbiting the Earth. This telescope is giving us an eye-popping view of the universe in and beyond our solar system that has helped us to see and understand things about it that we never could have imagined. And the two Voyager spacecrafts, launched in 1977 and destined for the outer reaches of our galaxy, are still out there, taking pictures and sending back data from the furthest reaches of our solar system. They have currently traveled beyond Pluto. With the launch of the Mars Exploration and Mars Opportunity rovers in 2003 and the Mars Curiosity rover in 2011, science has given us the awe-inspiring opportunity to explore and study the surface of an alien planet. American composer Alan Hovhaness wrote music for extralunar travel in his orchestral work Star Dawn. It's music depicting the first humans to land on Mars and the colonization of the Red Planet. Today, we have the ability to see outer space more clearly than we ever dreamed. And scientists are now able to get a view of astronomical objects that allow a depth of study never before possible. Among these are nebulas. We've also discovered the existence of black holes. Although we've never seen them, we know they're there. The eerie, swirling masses formed by collapsing stars are so powerful that nothing can escape their gravity, not even light. As we continue to gather information about galaxies and phenomena far beyond us, even the mind of a seasoned astronomer must boggle at the things that await discovery. And now, as we look deeply into the vast reaches of space, we have again become explorers and look with awe at what we see there.